like and subscribe. Free crypto bro.
What's up my crypto legends, welcome to another video. In this video I will talk once more again about EarnApp. EarnApp is an amazing app that you can install on your PC or your laptop and earn passive income. You can also install it on your mobile phone, but I would not recommend that because your earnings will not be so good compared to the PC and laptop. So guys, the story is very simple, okay? You can download EarnApp by using the link in the description below, okay? After you download it, you just install it and you run it. So it's very easy, guys. So this is one of those bandwidth selling apps, okay? Very similar to some of these other apps like 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐿 and 𝐓𝐿. I will also leave a link in the description below for those sites also if you want to increase your earnings. So to cut the story short, this is a safe, legit app, okay guys, but there are some factors that will impact your earnings. First of all, the most important one is your actual location, okay? This is very obvious, okay? Depending on the location in the world where your IP will be located, this will have an impact on your earnings, okay? Another thing that will impact your earnings is your internet speed, okay? Speeds of 50 megabytes per second and ping under 50 ms are best positioned to earn big. A reliable internet connection is essential to route traffic through devices. So maybe one small advice that I can give you if you already want to maximize your earnings, then it will be probably better to connect your PC or laptop with a LAN cable, okay? Because you will have a more stable connection by doing that, and I think that this will make your earnings a little bit bigger, okay? This applies to all of these bandwidth selling apps. Another thing that you can use to increase your earnings is to connect more devices, okay? So yeah. Anyways guys, you don't have to worry about this app. It's a legit safe app. Your data is safe. None of your personal information will be accessed or collected other than your email. And yeah, they are constantly monitoring their network activity. We only approve use cases that comply with our strict KYC know your customer compliance standards. So once you install it, it will appear in the corner like this. Very simple, very easy, okay? You just have to turn it on and you can start earning. So recently they have also added the classic offer wall offers, okay? So these are the classic, you know, you can install these apps, play them on your phone, you will get paid for whatever level you complete, or I don't know exactly how this works. I'm not a big fan of these, but okay. So here I have logged on to my dashboard. I will make a withdrawal now to show you the payment proof. So you can get paid via PayPal, okay? And they also have one more thing, I should probably mention this. They have a VPN program, okay? So you can also install this VPN through their site. You can also refer it to people, okay? Advertise it and you can get paid a little bit more. So yeah, I don't know, I was not promoting this VPN thing. I'm not using VPNs, so yeah. But if you want to use a VPN, you can download it freely through EarnApp, okay? Anyways guys, let's withdraw this. Where do I withdraw? Here. Withdraw now, okay. So here I will just write down my PayPal email. One more time. Dun, dun. Okay, and there's a tiny fee, almost $1, okay? So I will withdraw it now. Redeem request successfully created. And in the next scene I will show you the payment proof. So guys, here's the payment proof on my PayPal. The payment was not instant, but it has arrived less than 24 hours, okay? The next day I have received this these funds, okay? So everything is legit. I would once more recommend you to join EarnApp through the link in the description below. It's a great app, free passive income. And don't forget to, okay, I have turned off these, but don't forget to also install Honeygain and Pawns app. If you like these passive income apps, why not combine them to increase your earnings a little bit more. Anyways guys, I have to give a shout out to my thumbnail designer Mohammed, aka Mo. Bro, Mo, I'm so happy to have found you. With your help, this channel is going places, okay? This channel will gallop through the YouTube algorithm like a fiery horse. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thanks a lot guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.